Hello everyone. Hello dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. As I wait for my period, that biology period will come on Friday, Saturday. Is there anyone who is waiting for this period? I always wait for this period because it is a chance to meet you all again. Okay. So as you all know, we are doing chapter 6, tissues chapter. Okay. We have done plant tissue which are present only in the plant cells. Okay, animal tissue we will do after completion of the plant tissues. We have done the definition of plants means tissues. What is the difference between plant tissue and animal tissue? Okay, plant tissue, as we have divided these into two parts, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Okay, meristematic tissue, as we have done earlier, about their features, about their characteristics, इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, कितने टाइप्स के हैं, एंड वी हैव डन स्टार्टेड ऑफ परमानेंट टिश्यू. नाउ लेट अस टेक अ रिकैप फर्स्ट ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू. इसके फीचर्स क्या होंगे? फीचर्स विल बी इट इज जस्ट राउंड इन शेप, ऑल इन शेप, प्रोमिनेंट न्यूक्लियाई, और यू टेल मी योरसेल्फ, सेल्स आर क्लोजली पैक्ड. क्लोजली पैक्ड है, इट मीन्स देयर इज नो space for intercellular space is not there, or vacuoles may be small or absent. Okay, in meristematic tissue from old cells there is a formation of new cells, and when these cells lose the ability to form new cells, जब ये मल्टीप्लाई करना बंद कर देंगे, they will form permanent tissue. Okay, so as we are discussing about meristematic tissue, what are the types of meristematic tissue? Three types are there: apical, intercalary और lateral. Okay, apical क्या है? It will be present at the tips of root and shoot part. Apical कहाँ present होगा? Tips पे, roots की और shoots की पे, because it is responsible for the growth of tips part of the plant part. Okay, now intercalary ये कहाँ पे present होगा? नोड्स और इंटरनोड्स पे, फॉर द न्यू ग्रोथ. ओके, जहाँ पे न्यू ग्रोथ होगी इट विल बी प्रेजेंट देयर. नाउ लास्ट इज लेफ्ट लेटरल मेरिस्टेम. लेटरल क्या है? इट इज प्रेजेंट एट द साइड्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. साइड्स पे प्रेजेंट होगा, जो प्लांट की किसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? इट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द इंक्रीज इन द गर्थ पार्ट. गर्थ मीन्स यू कैन से विड्थ, यू कैन से सर्कमफ्रेंस. It is responsible for the growth in these parts. Okay, so it is all about the meristematic tissue. I hope you all have done revision also of this. Question was given. I hope you have done that also. Now permanent tissue. Permanent tissue, as the name is telling, permanent means the cells will not divide in this. In meristematic, what was there? There was a division of cells, but in this there is no division of cells. In what? In permanent tissue, the cells will not divide, cells will not multiply. Okay, there is no formation of the from old cells new cells. Clear? Permanent है. Okay, और it may be thin or thick. Word thin भी हो सकता है और ये thick भी हो सकता है. It form permanent shape to form the permanent tissue, or it can be the living or dead also. It can be living or dead. So these are the features of the permanent tissue. Permanent tissue कितने types का है? It is of two types, simple and complex. Okay, in simple there are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. There are the three types of simple permanent tissue. Parenchyma. Okay, firstly let us know about simple permanent tissue. Simple means, as the name is telling, it is very simple in nature. Okay, the formation of way of this tissue is very simple because it is having their common origin, okay, with their common functions. Clear? It is formed of the simple cells. अब simple permanent tissue के types क्या हैं? Three types, as I tell now only: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. We have done in the last period about parenchyma also. Parenchyma क्या है? It is a type of simple permanent tissue. Okay, it is that part which is widely distributed in the plant cells. ये कहाँ मिलता है? 3-4 layers below the epidermis. ओके। इट इज़ मोस्टली वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन द प्लांट सेल्स, जो हमें रूट में, स्टेम्स में, ब्रांचेस में, लीव्स में, फ्लावर्स में, फ्रूट्स में, वी कैन फाउंड दिस एवरीवेयर। सो इट मोस्टली फॉर्म द सॉफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मोस्टली पैकिंग टिश्यू ऑफ द प्लांट। इसको हम मोस्टली क्या बोलते हैं? पैकिंग टिश्यू ऑफ द प्लांट। ओके। इट इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स। पैरेन्काइमा is of two types, that is chlorenchyma and erenchyma. Chlorenchyma क्या है? Chlorenchyma is that which consists of the chloroplast, means chlorophyll is there. Okay, जो किस में हेल्प करेगा? इसकी हेल्प करेगा किस चीज़ में? इन फोटोसिंथेसिस, बिकॉज क्लोरोफिल रिस्पॉन्सिबल है किसके लिए? फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए। ओके। एरेन्काइमा सेल्स विच प्रोवाइड्स दैट बायोन्सी, इसमें एयर कैविटीज होती है। एयर कैविटीज आर प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ एयर कैविटीज इट हेल्प्स द एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स टू फ्लोट ऑन द वाटर सरफेस। ओके। बायोन्सी के कारण ही जो एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स है दे आर एबल टू फ्लोट। ओके। अब इसके फंक्शंस क्या हैं? इट विल स्टोर्स द फूड, इट विल स्टोर द वाटर प्रोडक्ट्स। क्लोरेन्काइमा है तो इट विल हेल्प इन द फोटोसिंथेसिस। एरेन्काइमा है, it means it help in the buoyancy. Okay, so these are the functions of the parenchyma. Now let us start our next tissue, collenchyma. We are going to start collenchyma. I request you all to open your books also. Open your books, please open page number it is in your books. In mine it is given 71. You may check in chapter 6 which page number is this in your books. Okay, so let us start collenchyma. Okay, it consists of the living cells. Firstly, we should know the meaning of the colon. The meaning of colon is glue. The meaning of colon is glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Okay, meaning क्या है इसका? glue. glue किसके काम आती है? पेस्ट करने की। Okay, so it consists of the living cells. It consists of living cells, but it is modified to provide mechanical strength. Living cells है, but इसकी modification क्या है? It provides mostly mechanical strength to the plants. Clear? Provides mechanical strength to the plants. The cells are thin-walled. Cells are thin-walled, but possess thickening of cellulose and pectic substance. Clear? सेल वॉल कैसी है? थिन है, बट क्या कंसिस्ट करती है वो? दे आर हैविंग सेलुलोज एंड पेक्टिक सब्सटेंस एट द कॉर्नर्स वेयर नंबर ऑफ सेल्स ज्वाइन टुगेदर। हमें इनकी अपीयरेंस कहाँ मिलेगी? कॉर्नर्स पे। वी विल फाइंड दीस एट द कॉर्नर्स वेयर नंबर ऑफ द सेल्स ज्वाइन टुगेदर, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे सेल्स की ज्वाइनिंग होगी। एट दोज कॉर्नर्स वी कैन फाइंड दीस सेलुलोज एंड पेक्टिक। Okay, the cells are compact. Compact means cells are tightly packed. Cells tightly packed हैं, it means there is the intercellular spaces are absent. Intercellular space की presence नहीं होगी। Okay, where we found it? इसकी location क्या है? It mostly found in 3-4 layers beneath the epidermis. Beneath, as I tell in the last period also, means beneath का meaning क्या है? Below. Beneath meaning is below the epidermis. Okay. In stem, petioles. Petioles means by which we can handle the flower, जो flower को पकड़ते हैं, that part. And leaves. It mostly found in the herbaceous dicot plants, not in monocot. Dicot, monocot also we will do later. So we will found these epidermis in stem, petioles and leaves of the herbaceous dicot plants. Herbaceous means जिनसे हमें हर्ब मिलती है, herbs. Okay, it is important supporting tissue particularly for young plants. Mostly support provide करेगा उन plants को जो mostly young हैं, और young means newly formed. Okay, and herbaceous organs और herbaceous organs में. So it is all about the collenchyma. Okay, क्या है? Let us just take once more. Consist of living cells होंगी, but modified to provide mechanical strength. Modified to form mechanical strength. सेल्स आर थिन वॉल्ड है, बट इट कंसिस्ट एट द कॉर्नर्स क्या, सेलुलोज की थिकनिंग्स और पेक्टिक सब्सटेंस की, एट द कॉर्नर्स वेयर द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स ज्वाइन टुगेदर, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे सेल्स की ज्वाइनिंग होगी. ओके, द सेल्स आर कॉम्पैक्ट मीन्स टाइटली पैक्ड है. इट मीन्स देयर इज द एब्सेंस ऑफ इंटरसेलुलर स्पेस. इट मोस्टली फाउंड इन 3-4 लेयर्स विद द एपिडर्मिस के बिलो. कहाँ पे, स्टेम में, पेटियोल्स में और लीव्स ऑफ हर्बेशियस डाइकोट प्लांट्स. लीव्स ऑफ हर्बेशियस डाइकोट प्लांट्स. इट इज नॉट देयर इन द मोनोपोड्स. It is not there in the monopods. It is important supporting tissue, support provide करता है, particularly for young plants के लिए, और herbaceous organs, और जो है herbaceous organs उनके लिए. Now what are the functions of this? Functions क्या है? As I tell, it works as glue. Colon का meaning क्या है? Colon का है. Colon meaning is provide, it meaning is glue. Function is provide mechanical strength. It provides mechanical strength. It provide flexibility to the plants. Flexibility means उनकी easy bending हो सके, उनमें help करता है, उनको break किए बिना. Okay? इसके functions क्या है? Listen carefully. I will send also to you all so that you can do from there also. Functions provide mechanical strength. It provide flexibility. Okay, without breaking any part of the plant. उनकी flexibility में help करता है. If question is there, which tissue help in the flexibility of the plants? Answer is collenchyma, which is the type of simple permanent tissue. Okay. Other function, if there is the presence of chloroplast, chlorophyll, it help in the photosynthetic process. Okay. Now open your books, everyone once please. Open your books. There is given paragraph about collenchyma. Please do that. In this it is given flexibility is due to permanent tissue which is collenchyma. As I tell now, flexibility किसके कारण है? That is due to the collenchyma. It allows easy bending of that parts of the plants, ताकि उनकी breakage भी ना हो. Okay, easily bending में help करता है. Provides mechanical support strength. As I tell now, we can find these in the leaf stalks below the epidermis. As written here, below the epidermis we can find these. Okay, the cells of this tissue are living, elongated and irregularly thickened at the corners. और thickening कहाँ पे होगी? Corners पे. Okay, there is the absence of intercellular space, or you can say very little space is present. So it is all about the collenchyma. I hope everything is clear. Okay, I will send these points, or you can do from here also. If I will give question, write a note on the collenchyma. Write a note on collenchyma. Then what you will write? These features with its functions. Okay, so I hope everything is clear here. Okay, you may take a screenshot of this and watch the video carefully. If anyone has not watched carefully, okay, you can watch later also for more understanding. Okay, thank you everyone.